In this video, you'll learn how to receive and pay for inventory in QuickBooks Online so you can accurately track stock and manage vendor payments with ease. First, head over to QuickBooks Online and make sure you're logged into your account. From your dashboard, go to the left menu and click on Create or New. Then select Purchase Order. Here, fill out the form by starting with selecting a vendor. Next, add the inventory items you're ordering under the Product or Service section. Enter the quantity for each item, and once you're done, click Save and Close, or you can also choose Save and Send. When the inventory arrives, go back to the left panel and click on Create or New again, then select Bill. From here, choose the same vendor. A small window will appear where you can link the purchase order. Click the Add button to copy the purchase order details into the bill. This step updates your inventory quantity and records the cost as accounts payable. After that, you can save the bill for now. When you're ready to pay the vendor, go back to the Create or New button and click on Pay Bills. Select the bill by ticking the checkbox beside it, then choose the payment account. Finally, click Schedule Payment or Save to mark the bill as paid. That's how you receive and pay for inventory in QuickBooks Online and keep your inventory and expenses properly tracked.